Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Continuing our top 15 series, we've got something special lined up for you today. I know so many of you have been asking for a customer reviews analysis for this one. Well, we're finally doing it. But before we get into that, don't forget to check this exclusive discount for it. You can find the link in both the video description and the top comment below. Now let's not waste any more time and jump right into the details. Let's begin by examining the insights provided by our first reviewer.
This reviewer considers this monitor a worthwhile investment, significantly improving their home cleaning routine. Previously, manual vacuuming was infrequent, but this device's scheduled cleaning has dramatically increased the frequency and effectiveness of cleaning. The reviewer finds the home noticeably fresher, attributing this to the thorough removal of dust and potential odor sources. Compared to a previous robot vacuum, this model cleans more than double the area in less than half the time, demonstrating superior efficiency. Unlike their previous experience, this device rarely gets stuck, and when it does, it accurately reports the obstruction's location, avoiding prolonged downtime. While the previous model was slightly better at avoiding cords, this isn't a significant drawback. The predictable cleaning path makes it easy to clear potential obstacles beforehand. The device has attempted to ingest several small objects, cat toys and cords, without causing damage, although this occasionally led to the vacuum pausing and requesting assistance. This behavior is attributed to the lack of a visual identification system for objects on the floor. The suction power is exceptionally strong. The device effortlessly cleans up debris, far surpassing the reviewer's previous model. The performance even eliminates the need to supplement with a handheld vacuum. This monitor handles throw rugs effectively unless obstructed by items that it cannot process appropriately, causing it to become stuck. The mopping function remains untested but is a secondary concern for the reviewer, who primarily values the vacuuming capabilities. Alexa integration was not personally utilized and therefore not reviewed. Mapping is highly praised. The device accurately mapped the home's floor plan after several cleaning cycles, with a convenient map editing feature to correct initial inaccuracies. The device respected designated no-go zones reliably, a significant improvement over the previous model. It navigates effectively in both dark and well-lit conditions. The interaction with household pets is positive. While the louder operation initially worried the reviewer, the predictable cleaning path allows the pets to anticipate the vacuum's movement and avoid it easily, leading to reduced stress for both parties. The self-emptying bin feature adds to the overall convenience, requiring far fewer manual interventions. The battery life exceeds expectations, lasting a substantial amount of time on a full cleaning cycle. The app's interface is found to be neither overly simplistic nor excessively complex, offering a balance of features without an overwhelming learning curve. Ultimately, despite minor issues with object detection, the device's efficiency, ease of use, and improved cleaning power make it a highly recommended choice.
Great! Now let's see what our next reviewer has to say about their experience.
This reviewer, a self-described longtime admirer of this type of product, finally purchased this monitor and has nothing but praise for it. Despite initial minor frustrations with the initial mapping process, a common experience, according to online reviews, the reviewer found subsequent cleanings seamless and efficient. Setting up the device was straightforward. Even integrating it with a smart home system proved simpler than anticipated, contrary to some online comments. The reviewer even gave their device a humorous name, making voice commands a fun part of the cleaning routine. While the dust bin capacity is smaller than some competitors, this was less of a concern after the initial few uses, and emptying it became less frequent as the reviewer adjusted cleaning habits. The mopping functionality, though not a substitute for manual scrubbing, provides consistent light cleaning with regular use. The reviewer appreciated the device's surprising vocal cues, announcing its start and return to the charging dock. Initially, their cat showed some wariness, but now tolerates, even seems to follow, the device. The app provided detailed visualization of the cleaning progress, a feature the reviewer found particularly engaging. While the device's laser navigation is remarkably precise, accurately following the pattern of a multicolored rug, it did struggle with the darker areas, mistaking them for drop-offs. This was easily remedied by designating a no-go zone in the app, a function the reviewer found incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. Battery life is exceptional, never posing a problem during use, and the water tank capacity is also sufficient for the reviewer's needs. Overall, this reviewer wholeheartedly recommends this monitor, highlighting its ease of use, effectiveness, and the sheer enjoyment derived from its operation. The only regret is waiting so long to make the purchase.
Excellent. Let's find out what our next reviewer has to share about their experience.
This reviewer, a self-described clean freak dentist with a penchant for gadgets, has extensive experience with robot vacuums. Having owned numerous models over the years, their longest lasting was a previous Roborock. This experience informed their decision to purchase the self-emptying model, driven by the need to manage pet hair in their large home with multiple dogs. Initial impressions were overwhelmingly positive. Even after a rigorous test involving multiple other robot vacuums running simultaneously, this monitor significantly outperformed the competition in a single cleaning cycle, collecting a surprising amount of dust and debris. The ease of docking and self-emptying functionality further impressed the reviewer. Following several weeks of continuous use with multiple scheduled cleanings per week, the reviewer reported 0 malfunctions. The substantial capacity of the dustbin proved ideal for their large house and multiple pets, significantly outlasting smaller capacity bins used in other models. The reviewer's satisfaction led to purchasing additional units, including a model specifically chosen for its superior mopping capabilities. This second model is used in conjunction with the initial purchase to maintain an exceptionally high level of cleanliness. However, the reviewer acknowledges that the initial unit alone is sufficient for their needs. The combination of vacuuming and mopping, strategically using different power settings, has resulted in the cleanest floors they have ever experienced. Future plans include expanding their robot vacuum army for both home and professional use in their dental office, demonstrating the lasting positive impression this model has made.